Okay, so here how exactly it is working. Right now it is in development, so I am just installing it from our dev dashboard. Okay, so let's do that. So you can check out our entire things here, wcm.in. What is that? Okay, so here I'm just selecting testing environment. Okay, so it is asking because it is in review, so I'm just installing it. Okay, so after installation it is synchronizing the product. Okay, and there is active automation is 0. So right now, so it has an embedded screen to view the display. Okay, so right now I'm just go to wcm again. Okay, right now you can see it is connected with the system automatically. Okay, now I am just, so there is automation which need to be created for order confirmation, payment confirmation, order and everything. Okay, so they can create the WhatsApp template for it, and they can start integrating this template, and this template will be sending from automatically through the system. Okay, and talking about the product, so whichever product are synchronized from the Shopify, so that is different, and these are the different. Okay, and if you go to the public catalog also, we have one functionality where no, a small owner which does not have any Shopify or WooCommerce, they can have this kind of link, but we are surely making that whatever products they have added to sync through the Shopify, it is not visible here. So it is just visible the custom products which they have added, so we are not displaying Shopify product there. So apart from that, they can manage their order and everything through the Shopify. Okay, so thanks to our main aim is to connect with the Shopify to automate their uh, whatsapp communication. Thank you again, and let me know if you face any issue. Thank you.